Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today, we are going to discuss the key of 27 November 2020, the assignment of body movements. In this assignment, the first question is, what is the swollen region inside your upper arm? What is the swollen region inside your upper arm? The swollen region is to call it as muscles. We used to call it as a muscles. And the next question, what happens when the muscle gets contracted? What happens when the muscle gets contracted? When contracted, the muscle becomes shorter, stiffer, and thick. When contracted, the muscle gets shorter, stiffer, and thick. So, if you contract your hand, for example, this is the hand. If you fold the hand, you can find that here at the region, you should find it will be thick and stiff and stronger also, thick also. Next one, dash are useful to pull the bones. Dash are useful to pull the bones. Muscles are useful for the pulling of the bones. So muscles will, bones will be covered with the muscles. So when muscle contracts, automatically the bone contracts. Okay. So muscle contraction helps in the movement of the bones or movement of the body parts. Next one, muscles work in dash. Muscles used to work in a pairs. They will be in a pairs. So the muscles used to work in the pair. How do the muscles work to move a bone? How do the muscle work to move a bone? So what happens here? As we said, the muscles used to be in a page. So one muscle will be contracts. As the contraction of one muscle, the bone lifts, the bone moves, and automatically from the other end, the opposite one more muscle, it is relaxes. It relaxes. Because of its relaxation, it starts pulling out, pulling back. So what happens here? The both contraction and relaxation of muscle causes the movement of the bones. Both the contraction and relaxation of the muscles makes the bone to be moved. And the next one, are muscles and the bones always required for movement? Yes, but in what way? The muscles are required for the movement of the particular body movement, but bones are not required. Why? Because some animals are there which are not having the bones, still they can able to move with the help of their muscle. So there is no need of bones to be bones for the movement, but muscles are compulsory needed for the movement. Muscles are necessary for the movement of the organism. Next one. How do animals move? How do animals move? Some animals move with the help of bones and muscles, but some moves only with the structures like scales, bristles, and takes their help of muscles to move, and take their help of muscles to move. So what happens here? Some animals they can move with the help of bones and these things, but some other animals are there where they doesn't have the bones or those things. They should take other body parts for their movement. They have to use their other body parts for their movements. Next one, what is the manner of movement of animals called? What is the manner of movement of animals called? It is called the gait of animals. Gait of animals we used to say. Next one, a muscle can only dash, it cannot dash. A muscle can pull, but it cannot be pushed. So I said the pulling, the opposite forces will act from the two muscles, the opposite direction of movement of muscles at the relaxation and contraction, it influences the movement of the bones. Movement of the bones. I hope everyone is clear with the questions and answers. Thank you.